How to add your own music to Instagram story. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on the plus icon. Now select reel. Now upload a video of music. Now tap on next. Now click on share. Now once you share it, tap on the profile at the bottom right corner. Now open up the reel. Now tap on the reel again. Tap on see more. Now tap on the audio. Now click on use audio. Now record your story. Now tap on next. Now tap on the download icon. Now tap on save to camera roll. Now simply go back. Again go back. Now tap on start again. Now go back to the home screen. Tap on the plus icon and select story. Now select the photo or video. Now tap on your story. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.